Welcome to Smart Physics. In this particular video, I'm just going to dissect question number 15 of the JAMB Physics paper for 2025. I hope if you are writing a few weeks from now the JAMB Physics for 2026, you will find this helpful. Follow me as I dismantle it. Question number 15 reads, a 500 electric oven plugged into a 220 volt source will consume an electric current of. So we need to find the current here. And for us to find the current, we need the electrical power equation, which says power is equals to IV. Some will say power is equals to VI, which is just the same. But we are looking for electric current, so we need to make current substitute the formula. So we safely say power is equals to IV. So we need to divide both sides by V to remain with I. So we have our P is equals to IV, divide by V this side, divide by V this side, and we are going to have the V's cancelling, remaining with I is equals to P over V. Once this is done, we are going to do substitution. I is equals to P over V. What is P? 500 watts. What is V? 220 volts, giving us 2.272, which is equivalent to B when we consider it at 3 significant figure level. 3 significant figures, we are going to find our answer as 2.27, which is at B. This is very important, but you need to understand, if you're preparing for the 2026, the 3 electrical power equation. The first power equation says power is equals to VI, which we have recorded as 1. But by Ohm's law, looking at Ohm's law, we know that V is equals to IR. So we can put IR here where there is V. We can put IR where there is V. We are going to have equation number 2, which says power is equals to IR times I. Because we are putting IR where there is V, since they are equal, V is IR, where there is V we put IR, which is going to give us I squared R. This is equation number 2. Similarly, starting from power is equals to voltage times current, which is our equation number 1. We can say I is equals to V over R. The I is equals to V over R. So where there is I here, we can put V over R. We end up having power is equals to V times V over R, giving us V squared over R. So power is equals to V squared over R. This is equation number 3. These are very popular equations which are frequently asked in JAMB papers. I hope you will be helped and you've been helped if you're preparing for the 2026 JAMB Physics paper.